um, the movement the kind maybe the let me explain it like this. From our chart, we expect if you move from the support reaching the resistance.
No, I don't want to talk about support and resistance. Yeah, because we haven't got to that level. I don't want others to get confused.
Yes.
Yeah, like I want you to give me an answer like when a swing becomes a higher high swing.
A high swing.
Like for example, this is a swing high. Can you see it?
Yes, from our chart.
Yeah, this is a swing high. So when does this swing become a higher high? This current one, when does it become a higher high?
It becomes a higher high, meaning that it has moved from down going up. As in, it is slightly higher than the lower part. It has moved from down up.
Yeah, it's higher than the previous. So it's higher than this previous swing. What? Swing
Yes,
high.
yes.
And then something to this one. That's when it becomes a higher high when it's higher than the previous one. Same thing to the other one. Okay,
True.
thank you.
Welcome.
Um, I'm coming to Drake. So, Drake, when in which trend do we have lower highs and lower lows? Is it in the buying trend or in the selling trend? Where we have the lower highs and lower lows. Okay, selling trend, good. Oh, you're right. Then Douglas, I'm coming on you. Douglas, when does a swing low become a lower low swing?
Is always in the selling trend,
Mm,
especially where the low swing
mm.
or swing low is is lower than the previous,
The previous what?
lower than the previous low swing.
Mm. Yeah, that's
Yes.
correct. Yeah, now Desmond, I'm on you. Um, Desmond, in the buying trend, do we do we have higher lows or we be having lower highs? Between the higher lows and lower highs, which one do we find in the buying trend?
It's the higher lows.
Or in the buying trend?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the buying trend, do, do we sell in the buying trend?
No, we don't sell in a buying trend.
We don't. We only do what?
We only buy in a buying trend.
Good. Ambrose, why do we buy in the buying trend?
We buy in a buying trend on a support point.
Yeah, but why do we buy in a buying trend?
It's because we are following the movement of the market. Because when it is a buying trend, it is upward movement. So that's why we buy
We're following the movements of the market. Yeah.
of the market. Yes.
Good. Drake, I'm on you. why do you think, Drake, what do we do in the downward trend or bearish trend? What do we do in the bearish trend? Do we buy or we sell? And why do we take any of the direction that you're going to choose? You can answer in the chat. I'm following up in the message here. Why do we buy or sell in the bearish trend? Which one do we do? Do we buy or sell? So the bearish trend, Why do we sell in the bearish trend? I need one of you to give me an answer. The major answer that I gave you why we trade following the trend. Why do we trade following the trend? Anyone who has the answer, you can unmute yourself, then you speak. Why do we trade following the trend? Desmond, why do we trade following the trend?
Because the trend is our friend.
Yeah, the trend is our friend, but that's not the major answer that I gave you.
Okay, yeah, we trade following the trend because we are just retail traders. We follow the pattern that the market movers make.
And what are the market movers?
The institutions, the
Yeah.
muscle corporation.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, so the major reason why we trade, we are individual traders and still retail traders. Yeah, and then we trade following the trend because we are following the direction which big boys are taking. There's a group that I had a market analysis with recently. On Mount Ambrose, you are there. I analyzed gold and I told you that gold is majorly buying. It's majorly buying, and I gave you the major targets. I looked onto each and every system, my naked market analysis, and even the algorithm was showing me that we only buy. And those who followed the analysis have made a lot of money. They have made a lot of money. And the market has just been moving, following just how and I analyze the market. Yeah.
True. True.
Have you made money today?
Yes, I tried.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, so when you see that the trend is very clearly buying, don't go for selling opportunities. Don't go for selling opportunities. And you guys are lucky, and you are going to be uh, extraordinary from the rest of the traders. Reason being that for you, after seeing the trend, you have a system that can help you identify an entry. For those of you who are going to get the algorithm, because it can show you an entry that buy here is the trend. By the way, it also doesn't go against the trend. It also gives trades that are in line with the trend. Yeah, so you are going to be beyond other traders, being that you know that if we are following the trend, and the trend, there is a system that can show you the trend. When the algorithm system is showing you a bullish trend color, don't sell. Only look for buying opportunities. And when it gives you an opportunity to buy, you take it. You simply be making money following the system. And that will see you, and that will make you growing. And by the time we get done with 2025, you'll be very far. You'll be very far in what? In trading. You'll be very far in trading. And by the way, there's a seminar that I'm going to be having in December. So that's the seminar you will attend it for you guys. For you will not pay for it. Yeah, those I've trained, they don't pay for my services. Yeah, so for you will attend it freely, the seminar. So you will see that during the seminar, you just make sure that you'll be learning something, even if we haven't reached on certain things, but there are certain things that I'll be handling whereby they're about like general understanding. You just have to make sure that you understand it. So you will say that there are certain strategies that I'll be teaching, and by the time we get there, actually, me personally, I believe that um, by according to the pace on which we are moving on, um, by the end of December, we shall be done with the market structure. And actually, I'm going to, me, I told you that me, I'm not after do running so fast. I'm going to be making sure that you guys master, those who are going to get the system, the algorithm, master it, practice with it. We shall have a practice marathon. You practice with it so that you can be growing the skill while we're continuing with the training. Then by the time we're done with market structure, by January, some people will be ready to do what? To trade. Those who have the system will be able to trade with the system, the algorithm, because they will have mastered each and everything. So, but by the way, in today's session, even I want us to set MT5s because we are going to be looking for these things from MT5. So, I believe by the end of December we shall be done with market structure. And I was telling you that we shall have a lot of practice regarding market structure, because by the grace of Christ, when you master market structure, and those who have the system, you have also mastered the system, the algorithm, how to use it. Just even before we go to price action, you guys will be ready traders. Will be ready traders because you have majorly what matters most in forex trading. So I really do request everyone to make sure that at least you don't miss every class we are having now. Yeah, don't miss these classes about market structure, because it's where we're going to be. Because it's where we're going to. It's where when we are done with these things, you will see that other things they will not be difficult because you shall just be applying them on market structure. Just a minute, I'm having a call here which I can't miss out. Just a minute. Hello, Anja. Amina. Eh, eh, mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Anti ki kye naggamba kati ogenda kulinnya kati ogenda kulinnya bagenda kutandikako bagenda kutandika kyako eri oluddeyo. Mm, mm. Eno Uganda toli Australia. Uganda buli omu yeekolera bibye. Mm. Kati ogenda kukola otya? Okafunye kati n'ogenda. Mm, mwagaanye. Kale nange ndi kuddusa, gezaako okubeera ng'ogira olabe. Gezaako okubeera ng'ogira olabe, nange ndi kumaliriza wano nakamiitingi ke ndimu kankamanye mangu then ekkubye twogere bulungi. Kale. Thank you, I'm back. So everyone try to make sure that you don't miss these classes. Right now, I think you have all understood the higher highs and the higher lows. You have understood the swings. Which is good. So right now, I would like to introduce to you to other things that will be. But then, before we go to that, um, then so even if we don't go about the sideways market, in the sideways market, I believe everyone knows that in the sideways market we'll be having what would we be having in the sideways market, Ambrose? In the sideways market, we have seen in the buying trend we'll be having higher highs, higher lows, and the selling trend. So what do we be having in the sideways market?
Sideways market, we have higher highs and lower lows.
Really? Sideways market?
Sideways market, that is a horizontal market.
Yeah, that's a
Whereby,
consolidated market.
yes, consolidated. Yeah, consolidation. So we expect to be having higher highs and lower lows.
No, higher highs and higher highs. Higher highs is in buying market, with the way we'll be having higher highs and higher lows, and then in the selling market we'll be having higher lows and lower lows. Desmond, what would we be having in
Yes.
the what should we be having in the sideways market?
We'll be having equal highs and equal lows.
Exactly. So Ambrose,
Yes.
in the sideways market we'll be having equal highs and equal lows.
Oh
because
yes,
all the
yes,
swings, these are equal highs. Equal highs
yes.
because all the swings are on the same level.
They are equal. Yes, on the
Mm,
same level.
yeah,
Understood. Good.
yeah, they're on the same level. So right now, I'd like to introduce to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So when it comes to trading, yeah, um, after understanding the swingy highs, just a minute. After understanding the swing highs and the swing lows, what they are in the buying market and what they are in the selling market, um, that takes us to the next thing of how do we use them. We use these swing highs, swing lows to to form to form. Oh wow! This market it has just reached. You see, actually it reached it to. Oh no, not yet at 2645, but so far the the weekly analysis that we analyzed has totally been respected over 98% because the market has bought up to 2649. For those of you who attended the week analysis and those who are already trading like Ambrose, um, so I was saying that this is how, and right now the market is trying to respect this resistance. So the that's Ambrose, mute yourself. I was saying that the swing highs and the swing lows, they're important to us because we base on them to create what we call trend lines and zones. We base on the swing lows and the swing highs to apply to form zones and applying trend lines. Like for example, this line you see here, what we, in the trending market, the market that is moving, going upwards, we'll be having what we call trend line, trend line, trend lines like trend line resistance and trend line support. So we apply these trend lines on the swings. For example, trend line resistance, we apply it on the swing highs, be it in the buying market or selling market. Trend line resistance is ever on the swing highs. Then there's what we call trend line support. Trend line support or any support is ever on the swing lows. Buying market support is ever on the swing lows. We are going to be starting support and resistance. So we'll be looking at support and resistance tomorrow. So support and resistance, uh, resistance we apply it on the swingy highs, and then support we apply it on the swingy lows. Yeah, be it a buying market or selling market. If it is a sideways market structure, we apply support on the equal highs, and then we support. We apply resistance on the equal highs, and then support on the equal lows. Then in the buying market, we apply support on the higher low swings, and then resistance on the higher high swings. So when you're applying this support and resistance, apply support and resistance zones or support and resistance trend lines on the swingy highs and the swingy lows. Just like here, this is my trend line resistance. I applied it on these swing highs from this one, then the first swing high, second swing high, third swing high. So these were equal highs. Then the market bought, created a higher high swing, supplied my trend line there, because trend line we apply trend lines on the swing highs and the swing lows. So that's how important they are, because on the swing lows we can be able to identify support, and on the swing highs we can be able to identify resistance. So everyone, at least you have to get more familiar to when it comes to finding swing highs, swing lows, because when you find them, it's very clear that you can be able, when you understand finding them, it's very clear that you can be able to find them. Yeah, but um, for those who are going to get the algorithm, uh, for you the system draws the system it applies those zones for you. Let me show you. Mhm. So for it shows you, uh, it finds for you those support and resistance zones. It finds them, and even it finds entries, just like you can see here. It had found a buy entry, sell entry, buy entry, sell entry. Then this was clearly showing that we are in the buying trend. Yeah. So for you, you will not find a lot of difficult when it comes to finding these zones. So the support, the swing highs and the swing lows are important, because on them it's where we apply our zones and our trend lines. And it's on them, by the way, it's on the swing lows or the swing highs on which we base on to buy or sell. Because when we have a swing low, um, let me show you. This is a market cycle. By the way, we shall be looking at market cycle. So this is a market cycle whereby things keep on repeating themselves. Yeah? Like for example, uh, when you look here, this market, it created this swing low, bought, then later came down, and today it respected this swing low, because this was a support zone. Actually, I shared this to the other group, which I took for those who are already trading, and I expected the market to get off this area. So the market respected this previous swing low, it went up, and now, um, and right now the market is up, but this is what is happening. This is what is most likely to happen. Mhm. So we have this swing low, which was the market respected it. It was this first one, the market bought after market buying, creating this swing low. It sold again, then respected this swing low, and it bought again. Actually, this market here is trying to create trying to create a sideways market structure, because we have these equal lows down here, and even up here we have these two equal highs. And right now, even this current candle is trying to create what we call it's creating rejection so that the market can come back down to test this previous swing low area before it coming again up there. So swing lows and swing highs are important because it's on them where we apply the trend lines and our zones, and it's on them on which we base on to buy and sell according to how the market is moving. Yeah, so that's how important they are. So everyone, you have to get more familiar with when it comes to finding these zones. Yeah, good enough. I've confirmed that you all understood them very well, and those some who had some challenges, I think the test that we have had has highlighted you more. Yeah. So right now, I would like to, I want, we are going to be doing practices whereby we're going to be finding these zones. So we're going to be finding these swing highs and lows from the market, but that will require you to be using MT5. Yeah, that will require to be using MT5. So I want to check everyone who's MT5. Do you all have do your MT5s all have live markets whereby when you go there, even if it's a demo, it's having live markets where when you check on the markets, any pair it's having candles move, it's having pairs moving. Is it like that, or anyone who is having, or anyone who is not having MT5 set, then we can set it now. Desmond, how is your MT5? Desmond, can
Yeah.
you can you share your screen? I see your MT5.
Can you give me like like a
Come
minute?
again?
Can you give me like a minute?
Okay. Douglas, is your MT5 ready?
Unfortunately, because I'm using a phone, I'm away from the PC.
But is it having charts running?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's good. For Ambrose, I'm sure. This one, I'm waiting for you.
Yep, I'm getting a place. I was actually in the dining mess trying to take supper, so let me find a
Oh,
place to sleep. Yeah, do you need the MT5 on the phone?
it can be for the phone, actually, both of them. Yeah, phone or even for the phone, major on the phone.
Okay, let me find out where to start share the screen. I hope my screen is on.
Yeah, it's on. Got caught.
Yeah,
Got caught.
I'm already there, but it's showing blank.
Oh, so tap on the other few dashes. Click on get started.
Yeah,
You used to have XA there.
yeah. This one was before, but I never used it.
XA is fake. They have big spreads. They have even charges, swap fees. They are fake. So
Yeah,
tap on the other plus sign.
I've done.
Oh, mm. Wait. First come back. First tap on quotes again.
Done.
Tap on the plus. No, tap on the other three dashes. Tap on get started. Huh. Why isn't it bringing the meta code? Huh.
Oh,
First tap
we
on first tap on come again.
uninstall.
Yeah,
Oh, we
uninstall.
uninstall.
Then you install it again.
All right. Yeah, here we are.
get started. Where is it to bring the meta code? Tap on can't find the broker. Now wait, do like this, huh? Log in and first go to your Just Markets account.
From the Just Market.
Let's go there and we create a demo account. No, don't want that one. I want to go to the one from Chrome. Not the app. That's the app.
Demo account.
No, log in. Log into your dashboard. Tap on the demo. Actually, everyone I want to be following very well. This is how we connect to MT5. Yeah, so everyone can create a demo account and then you allow notification. So everyone you can create the demo account following these steps. You go to your dashboard, then you go to demo, then you tap on open new account. Standard, try demo. Then set your password there. So now do like this, huh?
Yeah.
Tap on those three dots after standard. There's those three dots vertical. Tap on them. Tap on account information. Copy the account number. Tap on there's that copy sign there. Now go to so now you go to MT5. Plus the other plus sign. Search Just Markets. It's the second one. No, the word is one, no space. Yeah, so the second one. The first one is just trying to put it just to market. So now paste there your login, the one you copied. Now put there your password, the one you have set. Did you know I had a dog? Really? I thought you hated animals. Well, he kept me company. Come on, coach. But he wasn't as lucky as you. Those sons of bitches. So you have like, so you just long hold on any pair. So tap on any pair. Then go to chat. Yeah, so then on the chat you try to make sure that you, by the tomorrow we shall also go through time frame. Tap on it, tap anywhere on the chat. Then go to H1, tap on H1. Yes. So you'll make sure that while you try to look for these swing highs, swing lows, you'll be looking for them at H1. Anytime from the time frame not lower than H1.
Okay.
So that's your demo account. Yeah, when I tell that this weekend's assignment, you have to find swing lows, swing highs. You just come there, then you look for them, take screenshot, and then you share them to me.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So that's so you are done. So everything you are going to be learning practically, you will be getting it. You'll be practicing it from there.
All right, sir.
Okay, colleagues, let's stop from here. We resume tomorrow.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you too.
Welcome. A blessed evening, everyone. Good night.